Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds. Sorry you guys, my cat just got into a drawer and I don't know how he got in there. That's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds and I believe we have $600 here, so let's count it out. So 100, 200, 300. Let's do it again here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 600. All right, so let's start with my long-term binder. Can you guys see that? Let's do that. All right, for Sway, my son, he is going to be getting, okay, for Sway, my son, he is going to be getting $20. So Sway now has 500, 600, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So 648. Car registration is not going to get anything because it's already fully funded. Car insurance is also not going to get anything because it is fully funded also. Momo. Christmas, I'm not going to start it until next year. And vacation is going to be getting $30. I am so excited to go see my niece, you guys. We've never, me and my mom have never gone to go visit her out there. She's always come to visit us. So for once, it's going to be interesting. All right, so vacation now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So 380. 380, that's not bad. I'll have some type of spending money. Investing is going to get $40. And I need to take this out and invest it. But maybe in a few weeks. So investing now has 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh my gosh, my cats want to play right now. Right now when I'm recording, you guys. Home is going to get $20. So now home has $40. Emergency fund is going to get $40. So now it has $60. Month ahead is going to get $40. 20, 40. Oh, let's count it. Month ahead now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 45, 40, 50. So 350. Is that right? Isn't that what I left? No, yeah, okay. 350. Momo! Psst. Momo. Oh my god, you guys. My cat is climbing up the Christmas tree. Momo. All right, so that is it for my long-term binder. Now we go to my short-term binder. Okay, so can you guys see that? Okay, so car maintenance is going to be getting $20. So car maintenance now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, oh my god, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 304. Which is not bad, you guys. I'm going to need an oil change soon, though. But not quite yet. Supplies is not going to get anything. Couponing is going to get $20. And again, I have not gone couponing, you guys, because I don't know. I've been lazy. Couponing has 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. And if you ask me, this is way too much for couponing. But I like to make sure I have money to coupon. Laundry is going to get $20. So laundry now has 40. And I think I'm going to be going to do laundry soon because I really need to. So this might be gone by the next time I make a video. Momo and Demon, which are my cats, they are going to get $20. So Momo and Demon now have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 320. Giveaways is gonna get $20. So giveaways now has sorry you guys, I did tell myself I needed to put a $100 bill in there and I hadn't done it yet, but here we are. So giveaways now has 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So 159. And as you guys know, this is going to be my 500 subscriber giveaway money. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving either this money or something out of my Etsy shop equal to this money. So yeah, the winner will be able to choose. Buffer is going to get $10. So now it has $30. Why can't I open this? All right, and that is it for my short term. And now we are going to do my sinking funds. So last time I told you guys I had finished my, I believe it was 500. I thought it was 1,000, but it's 500. My 500 ghost face challenge. So now I am gonna put all my money towards this one, which I believe is $1,000. So let's see how many we can circle. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am not here today. Let's see how many I can color. Can you guys see that? Let's put it right there so that way there's no glare. All right, so we're gonna put $300 in it. And let's start. Okay, so we are gonna start with 30. 40. 50. 80. 100. Okay, that's one, you guys. Let's do one more 100. Okay, 25. 50. 85. 200. Sorry, you guys, my coloring is just not the best. But you guys get the point, right? Okay, we have one more 100 to color in. Should I do the big denominations? Nah, we should do the small ones, make it look like more, huh? All right, so 25. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 75, 100. All right, you guys, we are almost done with this one. I believe we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 110. Oh wait, 30, 40, 50, 60, 110, 35, 150, 195, 210. So we have 210. Hopefully by next week, you guys, I will be able to finish this challenge. I am so excited. I don't sound it because I don't really feel well, but I am pretty excited, you guys. So let's count how much we have in this challenge now. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 100, 200, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Oh, I just mixed that up, didn't I? Yeah. So 1,295. Well, 195. 295? I think it was 295. Yeah. All right, you guys. I hope I will be able to finish this one by next week. I'm super excited. I love finishing challenges. It's so fun for me now. Oh, let's put this back. All right, you guys, that is it for my video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave them down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.